Mr. Man has a plan, don't you? You got that plan to be the Mr. Man. Benny! Benny! Cries all the time, he doesn't know why. Just likes to bug Mommy. Yes, you do. Look at your nakedness. Look at your nakedness. You're naked. Get your luxurious hair growing in. Ooh. Oh, I know. It's hard when you're bald and you're so little. Oh, standing. Standing up and dancing on your own. Wow. Yes. Yes. Yes, say, Grandpa. All I do is cry, Grandpa. I like to bug Mommy. I like to bug the Mama. Oh, standing. Oh, look at those flailing arms. Okay. Grandma, are you hungry? Okay, say bye.